you can't lie to yourself when you write. You can lie to yourself when you write once. You can lie to yourself when you write twice. You can't lie to yourself on your 200th article because you can't get to your 200th article if you're just constantly lying to yourself. Writing is arduous enough that if you're lying to yourself, you just can't do it consistently. And I think that's what's great is the blank white page reflects back at you what you really want, who you truly are, what you're actually drawn to. And by the time you have somebody writing for 2 or 3 years, they're always 100 times out of 100 closer to the person who they should be, closer to the person that they actually are rather than the person they wish they were. And I think a lot of us spend our lives wishing that we were somebody that we're not and trying to be somebody who we're not. And we aren't just like, hey, I'm this person. And the grand irony is you're like, okay, I'm going to surrender to being this person. And you're like, wow, that means that there's all these things I'm going to have to forgo. But what you realize is once you're actually in tune with the butter knife that you're made to be, and you're like slicing butter, like you're so good at it that you unlock opportunities that you would have never imagined. And you do it with an ease, a grace, a flow, and an effortlessness that you can't get to when you're LARPing as some guy that you saw in a movie one time or what your parents want you to be.